28 and 29. Determine if the triangles are congruent. Write the congruent statement if they are. Justify your answer if they are not. Okay, we know that AB is congruent to CD. So AB is congruent to CD. And AB is parallel to CD. So AD, these two lines are parallel. The key on this is to get one of your angles. This angle is going to equal to this angle because they're alternate interior angles. Okay? Also, this edge is equal to each other in the figures, aren't they? So we're going to have, and this angle would be the same as this angle, wouldn't it? Actually, these two angles, AB is parallel to CD. These two would match up. So we have side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So let's draw this triangle. We have A is right here, I'm sorry, B and C. This has one tick mark. This angle is equal to that angle. Okay, and then these edges are the same. Now then I'm going to draw this one. The C is going to go on the top of it. So I'm going to have AD on the bottom. C is going to go on the top. Here's my side AC, and it has two tick marks. Actually, I need to reverse this. This would be D. This would be A. CA would have two tick marks, and CD would have one tick mark, right? And then angle C would have two tick marks. So angle C would be the same as angle A. AB is going to be the same as DC. AB would match up to DC, and AC is matching up to AC in it. So I have AC here, but my C's on top and this one in it. So these triangles would match up, and it would be side, angle, side, side, angle, side. So triangle BAC is congruent to triangle DCA, by side, angle, side. Number 29. Determine if the triangle is congruent. Write the congruent statement if they are. AB is parallel to CD. That we know is these two are parallel, and these two are parallel, right? So we have these as parallel, and these as parallel. Okay, that means this is our transversal. That means this angle will equal to this angle. And then right here, this is our transversal. These two are supplementary. We know that these edges are equal. That's about as far as we could get. All we could get is an angle and a side on this sitting there, because you don't have congruent alternate interiors here. You only have one transversal this way. So this is not provable. Why? Because you can only prove one angle and one side equal or congruent.